guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another clean with me, but we are deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. Our refrigerator is a freaking mess. It's a wreck. You can never find anything in there before stuff goes bad, so I think it's time to clean it out and do some organizing. So if you're interested in seeing that and how I do it, just keep watching. I'm just gonna show you what our fridge looks like right now. So very unorganized, very dirty. The shelves are totally disgusting. Yeah, this needs some organization. I'm a little embarrassed about it, but you know, this happens to like everyone. So basically, I'm gonna start pulling out everything from the refrigerator and putting it on the counter. I already cleared off stuff from the counter except for those Clorox wipes because I'm gonna be needing those, and throwing away stuff that went bad. This is what our refrigerator looks like after emptying it out. You can see that the shelves are pretty grimy, pretty dirty. Gotta clean all of that stuff out, and this is the entire contents of our refrigerator. I actually didn't end up throwing as much as I thought away. It was mostly like cilantro and things like that that go bad pretty fast. So now I'm gonna start pulling out the drawers and washing them. refrigerator is finally squeaky clean, and now we can get to the organizing process. Okay, so this is the situation with the food right here. I think I'm going to start by organizing the condiments, and then I'll do veggies and then everything else. But I have to figure out a situation with these eggs because like this isn't gonna cut it. Like this is ugly and it's not very efficient. I mean, it kind of is, not really. So I'm probably gonna find something to put the eggs in. This is the end result. I'm pretty happy with it. Eventually, I'm probably gonna get something even bigger to put those eggs in. That'll work for now. I think it looks so much better. It looks so much more clean and organized. It doesn't look like a bunch of crap just like thrown everywhere. Especially the condiments look a lot more organized. Like I put all the smaller sauces down here, and there's my aloe, bigger sauces, coffee creamer, just dairy products like almond milk, things like that. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. I put this little container of already chopped like jalapenos and half an avocado because I feel like once I put like some chopped stuff in a baggie, it just kind of floats around in the refrigerator and gets kind of lost. By the time you find it, you have to throw it away because it went bad. So I thought getting this little container to put that stuff in will help me use up this stuff first before cutting into new things. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my face. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.